Now we have a question from Nick Anderson. He's asked, when the agent pulls borrower data from multiple systems, how does it handle inconsistencies or missing data? Does it get flagged for those analysts to try and fill, or does it try to fill the gaps on its own? That's a great question, Nick. Essentially, what we're seeing is the most popular flow that we've seen out there is the AI tries to get all the data possible. So the AI will try and fill the gaps, but obviously there are times where something is not available. And then in the credit memo, the AI will actually put information not found and what sources it kind of search for and kind of mark it in red. So that becomes a great way for the analyst to not miss or glance over. And then the analyst can say, okay, I'll get this data from here, talk to that customer, do whatever is needed to kind of fill that gap in. So that's typically the flow that most people fall for.
From Rajiv Ahuja, and he's like, does this prompt a human to come into the loop?
I think the way we've kind of looked at this problem essentially is that the AI, the credit memo writing AI, right? We don't look at the process as, okay, hey, let's remove the human from this process. The AI will kind of do the entire filling to its best of its abilities. And it will create a list of flagged items within the memo itself, right? Like in red, almost like how you would get a legal document, right? With redlining across the document, mapping out exactly where all it feels the eyes of the analyst should go, or the memo writer should go, the credit agent at the bank. So that, yes, they'll obviously go through the entire memo once as a human in the loop, but they actually get the red lines to quickly say, hey, there's a problem here. Definitely a more collaborative approach, and something that they kind of talk to each other to solve and work through.